M18 fuel 1/4-inch blind rivet tool. It pulls the rivets just as fast as the pneumatic, if not a little bit faster.
The recovery time is real fast. It speeds up the process 2 times faster.
Well, in our profession, we're working 13, 16, 17 feet in the air. So if it falls, it's going to need to take a 17-foot drop and be able to pick back up and perform.
It's nice having the trust that we don't have to replace those tools or have it jamming up.
The jaws will stand up to all the pressure of pulling constant rivets over time, and you're not worrying about maintenance costs versus the cordless tool.
You don't need to worry about where you're plugging in your airline. You have it in your hand, put the fastener in, and you go.
I like the mobility. You don't have to go get the hose. You just take the M18 1/4-inch blind riveter with you. I think it's more productive.
Hoses can be hazardous as far as a tripping hazard, breaking or rupturing a line, not having to drag an airline up a ladder, and then the maneuverability, not having a big airline dragging off your tool is a great safety feature as well. It's been a great tool for us. It's quick, it pulls the rivet strongly, it eliminates the use of air hoses. It's been a very durable tool for us. We have not had any issues at all with it.